was just thinking about the food that I was eating, but I'm eating a very rare wrap, right, with cruciferous vegetables, with broccoli and radish, with beans and chicken and onions. And I wanted to just kind of talk about that because, like, many people don't eat radishes, but there's so much good in radishes. Radishes have a high amount of vitamin C in just half a cup, let me tell you. There's like 14% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, which is awesome. And if you guys don't know, vitamin C is an antioxidant. It's so hot in here right now. Woo! It's an antioxidant that helps battle free radicals, right? Which we all know. We've heard about free radicals for skincare. But it also helps the body prevent cell damage that's caused by aging. And so, being that I'm turning 40 in 39 days, this is definitely something I want to do. Just things like unhealthy lifestyles and environmental toxins are sometimes part of our life due to just being really busy or whatever the case may be. And so this vitamin C is very important in everyone's diet. Okay, it also plays a key role in producing collagen, which you want to keep young and to, combat the wrinkles that are ahead. And it also supports healthy skin and blood vessels. So this is something cool. And also radishes, they have a small amount of a whole bunch of things like phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, folate, which is like the natural source of folic acid that many people take when they're trying to conceive. It has B6, vitamin K, calcium as well, which is good. It's good that it has calcium and magnesium together. It also has zinc, which is good for both sexes, men especially. And it does have some trace minerals like manganese and a little bit of sodium. Another good thing about it is it's anti-cancer. So cancer is so prevalent, and I feel like it's really, really prevalent in our city particularly. I know so many people who are either battling it or who have lost the battle but fought well against cancer. And eating radishes, if you don't know, is an actual cruciferous vegetable. So it is, and you know what? It's amazing for combating cancer. I was at an institute in the US, and they found that the vegetables contained a particular compound, and this compound was really cool. It was an isothiocyanate. Big word, mouthful. But what it was cool was that when that cyanate combined with water, something amazing happened. It caused a purging of the body's cancer-causing substances. So it actually purged the body of it, and it also helped to prevent tumor development. So that was huge in the science world. And also radishes are antifungal. So some people use radish extract in their skincare and things like that, but it's also good taking, obviously, internally. It has antifungal protein. This particular protein caused cell death in candida, a type of candida fungus normally found in humans and animals. But when it overgrows, many of you know about that about candida. It can manifest in things like yeast infections or oral yeast infections like thrush. It also helps digestion. It does have I think it's like 1 gram of fiber per half cup. So it's not a huge deal, but it helps. It's definitely not going to plug you up.